ISE 2024, AVoverIPoE. I'm here at the Pro-DVX stand with my good friend, Michael. Yasu, Michael, how are you?
Hi, yeah, hi.
Tell me a bit more about the history of Pro-DVX.
Now, I will tell you a little bit about the history. We are just a company more than 10 years. We just founded back in 2004, where 2011 has made an independent brand out of the existing company. Now, through our good development and our strong relationships in Asia with companies where they're providing the chipsets and etc., we have seen now the last 6 years we dominate the market with the Android. And that is where we are now today in the ISE 2024 in Barcelona, and we present the latest technology based on Android and also Google Chrome Flex OS and the Windows as well.
Okay, so in terms of that innovation, really we're talking about different operating systems, different types of displays that can be used for digital signage, displays that can be used in a number of different applications. Can you talk a bit more about that?
Of course, thank you. What we do here, what we talk about here is the innovation we have not only on the traditional room booking signage where everybody knows and you see, we just offer technology solutions together with a lot of partnerships as well. That is very important because you cannot do everything alone. To give you a simple example now is the new solution we have with the Google Chrome OS Flex. It's a Chrome OS Flex is the latest software operation system where it has to be very secure, and that is not where we're talking about because Google is saying about, because if you can see even the education market now is going on a Chrome, it means it's a lot of security there. And Android, we had in the last 3 years, everybody says, yeah, but Android 9, Android 8 is not any secure. Yes, Android is a secure operation system because if you go to the ASOP, that's mean Android open source. We are now in the Android 12 and then we move to Android 12. We are not on the consumer market, there is a difference. Consumer market goes Android 15. We talk about B2B, where we provide the secure software.
You mentioned these relationships, these strategic relationships. Tell me a bit more about some of the companies that you've struck those relationships with.
Yes, we have a business relationships. For example, one of this year you can see also with NETGEAR. NETGEAR, the AV, because what do we have? Our devices, they just get the PoE, power of Ethernet, and we know together working with NETGEAR, we provide switches where has been tested, trusted, and working with the customer. That is very strategic, very partnership with the NETGEAR AV, where also you can find them here at the ISE in the hall number 5. Now, the next one, what do we have? We have a company called Utelogy, where they have a platform where it's based on Android, where you can make the platform layers to add on a different application on it. Give you a simple example. If you have Pro-DVX devices and then you use the Utelogy, then you can use example Lightwear platform to go for IP. You can use a lighting, you can use residentials and etc. Moving forward, then if you go a little bit on the retail hospitality, we have a partnership, strategic partnership with a company called Nexmosphere. They're doing the sensors, it's a Dutch company where that sensors ensures that together with our devices give us total solution, because you know in nowadays a lot of things in the innovation you don't need to touch. A sensor can do the job. And also we had the COVID situation where the COVID situation brought us where you need to not touch, and also about the CO2. So they can measure a lot of things, and the measurement is the data, and data you can analyze.
I mean, I really like that thinking. We're thinking that you're part of a solution and you reach out to other experts in their field to make the whole solution. So those relationships, like for example with NETGEAR, with Nexmosphere, as well as with Utelogy, provide you different platforms and different access to different markets.
Yes, correct. But also, if you move forward on the software solutions, because we cannot be a specialist on the software, because you have someone who says a room booking, you need a software, a digital signage, wayfinding, and etc. We have a nice software program where it has to be in multi-language, because you know a French language is different than the German language, or if you go a little bit even beyond that, in the Middle East, where you have the Arabic version of the language where it's really rich as a language, but you have a different versions of that, then you need the partners where they do the software, and that is the key of the success. Next to that, what do we have? We work together with big integrators companies, where when it's a project needs to be rolled out in multiple languages, in multiple countries, those they just get the specifications how you roll out exactly the same installation in Germany or in France or in UK.
That's fantastic. Look, final question. When you come to the UK, where am I taking you out for lunch? What food would you like? Is it Greek food? Is it Iranian food? What is it?
A combination of Iranian and Greek.
That's going to be difficult, but we're going to have to do that. Thank you, Michael. I'll see you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Thank you.